Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Haitian Cuisine with Vino. We are going to make pitimi, okay? To start, I have my pitimi right here, okay? This is what I'm going to be using. And turning on my fire. When you're making pitimi, it's almost just like when you're making rice, okay? If you're just making it like white one. So you need oil, scallion or onions, you fry it, some salt, and then your pitimi. But you have to wash it well, okay? I'm using this oil, corn oil. Let go here, man. I'm using the scallion. Gonna wash it. And I'm gonna put my salt in there. So we don't have oil spreading all over. That's why I cover it. And I'm gonna add some salt. Okay. That's all you're gonna be adding, and then your water. Okay, it's changing color, so I'm gonna put the fire down so it doesn't splash all over when I put it. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna start washing my pitimi, okay? After that, guys, I'm going to tell you what I'm making it with. Okay, let me start adding the water. Okay, this you have to make sure you put enough water for it to cook. You don't want it too hard and it's take a while to cook. So and when you're washing it too, you're gonna wash it until the water is clean. Clean water. Almost ready to go. Okay, now it's boiling. I'm gonna test the water. Make sure you have enough salt. And from there, okay. Need a little bit more. Just a bit. So now I'm adding my, it's in the trick on when you doing that, you see I don't drain all the water. That's because I want to take it like this in case there's a little grain of sand in the bottom, so it could stay in the bottom. See? And I don't know for everybody, but when you fry your salt in your rice or whatever you're cooking, I'm telling you guys, it tastes totally differently. Before when I used to cook, and when my mom cooked, our rice to always turn out to be different, and I was asking why. And that's when she told me when she's cooking her rice, she fried her salt with the epice. And the flavor is really different when you fry your salt